How to turn on or off headphone accommodations on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. In the Accessibility menu, scroll down to the Hearing section and tap on Audio and Visual. This section allows you to adjust settings for audio and visual displays. At the top, tap on Headphone Accommodations. Headphone accommodations can amplify soft sounds and adjust certain frequencies for your hearing. To activate it, tap on the toggle switch at the top. As you can see, this reveals several options to tune your audio for a balanced tone, vocal range, or brightness. To disable the feature, simply tap the toggle switch again to turn it off. Following these steps, you can easily turn on or off headphone accommodations on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.